Naija people don bring ogbonge bishop news story. My name na Nehi. Make a sharply yarn on a story wey be say it just happened.
The FCT minister wey be Nyoso Wike don come out to come talk say na lie say people wey dey carry talk say President Bola Tinubu government get cabal, say that one na pure lie and nothing like cabal for inside President Bola Tinubu administration. And he come out to come yarn this talk for on top the 2025 OAU Distinguished Personality Lecture wey they do for inside Ile-Ife, Osun State on Thursday wey be June 5th, 2025. The Dutch embassy wey dey for inside Nigeria don come talk on Thursday, June 5, 2025. We say Netherlands go return 119 artifacts there wey be say they tiftalize from inside Benin City, and they go return am back to Nigerian National Museum for inside Benin City, Edo State, and they tiftalize am many years ago. President Bola Tinubu don come dey tell Lagos State government say make dem stop to dey approve and make dem unapprove all the island dem wey dey create illegally. As he come dey tell the government of Lagos State say make dem try dey work with federal government to avoid issues. He come out come yarn this talk during the commissioning of the deep sea port access road for inside Lagos State.
I'm glad the deputy governor of Lagos State is here, thinking that we will remove all those approvals given on the setback already given. And please note that we are very serious about it. No more planning approval for those unapproved islands being created illegally.
This Nigerian grandmother wey her name be Jane Olufunke Damiro, 71 years old woman wey they accuse say she tiftalized bracelets, but she come out come talk say she not thief and say she see the bracelets during her shift for inside the London School of Economy where she dey work. But more than 70 of her co-workers they don come right to defend her character after she come out come talk say she not do anything like that. Ogbonge traffic e don come happen for along that Lagos-Ibadan expressway as plenty Nigerians wey say that they travel for Salah holiday wey be yesterday on Thursday, June 50, 2025. All of them don come dey stranded, come spend hours for on top that express road.
What is pumping? This is Lagos to Ibadan expressway. What's the choke? It's choke everywhere. Choke dead. Are you there? This one loud, bro.
The Lagos State Commissioner for Environmental and Water Resources wey be Tokunbo Wahab don come post this video at Shinkon talk say Kai officials they don come catch two drivers wey be say they go dey throw away dirty for one canal wey dey along that Lagos Badagry Express Road for on top Iba Igondo Link Bridge. Na there this gbege take happen. The Federal Bureau of Investigation will be FBI don arrest Sapphire Egemasi for inside United States of America will be tech person as the contact say she joined body with some other people that to play plenty fraud wey affect the United States of America government agencies them as they arrest her with some other people, the all of them. They play this 419 for inside New York City. The SP Josephine Ade will be the FCT Police Command of Public Relations Officer will be talk person of Ikoloba Police for inside Abuja. She don't win the Public Relations Officer of the Year 2024 for inside the Nigerian Police and the recommendation night where they do. After United States of America President will be Donald Trump come out to come ban plenty countries there plus including Chad. The Chad government don't come out to also come ban and also suspend visas them to all United States of American citizens them so they no go fit enter inside our country. And yesterday will be Thursday, June 50, 2025. And they come out come and they talk. During the launch of reconstruction of deep sea port, as the MC introduced the billionaire businessman will be Aliko Dangote as the president of Dangote Group. Now so Dangote can climb or can tell him say anytime saying see President Bola Tinubu around, so making not introduce him as president again or making call him as chairman.
I'd like to welcome the president of the Dangote Group. Please welcome here, Alhaji Aliko Dangote.
Mr. MC, for your attention. Next time, when Mr. President is around, my own title is chairman, not president. Don't call me president. I'm sorry, sir. He called me president. I didn't allow him to do so, sir.
One secondary school Pablo will be new taker. We just finish WAEC. Don't come dey spray money after when he just finish WAEC. As plenty students they come they gather the rush. The collect money for grant. These two SSA to Governor of Edo State don't come to Lagos State Eco Hotel to come enjoy themselves with Edo State government money as they come. They thank the Governor of Edo State will be Okwebelo, saying give them opportunity to fee buy water for 4,000 naira for one bottle water for inside Eco Hotel.
Eco Hotel. Now we did. Hot true. Yeah, Eco Hotel and street. That's all. Our water. Then you drink. Okay. More.
His Excellency Senator Modi Okpebolo, we are grateful for the opportunity to give us to buy water for 4,000 naira. No matter.
Now Bishop News O'Clock. My name is Nanehi. Make una enjoy your day.